Want your money to grow faster than your savings account? Then you just need to hear about the equity mutual funds. Hey everyone, in the previous video I have spoken about different types of mutual funds, and in this video I'll be talking about the types that are present in equity mutual funds. So equity mutual funds is basically a type of fund where your money will be investing in the company shares. So there are different main types like the small cap, mid cap, large cap, flexi cap, multi cap and index funds. So when it comes to the small cap mutual funds, these are like the startup companies that have just entered into the market. So these are like higher ones, higher risk and higher rewards. So you will be getting on an average of around 15 to 20% returns per year. Second is the mid cap mutual funds. So these funds are basically like they have completed just the race of the startups and entered into the unicorns. So these are like the medium risk and medium rewards. So you will be getting on an average of around 12 to 15% returns per year. Third is the large cap mutual funds. So these are like the big trusted top 100 companies in India. So they will be like you will be growing your money like slowly, more stable as well as less riskier when compared to other mutual funds. So on an average, you will be getting around 10 to 12% returns per year. Fourth is the flexi cap mutual fund. Here the fund manager will be investing our money anywhere. It could be small cap mutual funds, mid cap mutual funds, or large cap mutual funds, wherever he is seeing returns that we have invested the money. So on an average, we will be getting around 11 to 12% of the returns per year. So fifth is the multi-cap mutual funds. It is quite similar to the flexi cap mutual funds, but here the fund manager will be investing the money in all the three mutual funds, the small, mid and large mutual funds, but in fixed portions, like at least 25% is invested in each fund. In 25% in small, 25% in mid, or at least 25% in large cap mutual funds. So on an average, we will be getting around 11 to 13% or 14% returns per year. Last is the index funds. So basically, they are just a copy of an index by investing them in the Nifty or Sensex. So Nifty is like the top 50 companies that are based in India, and Sensex is the top 30 companies that is based in India. So Nifty indicates the NSE, that is National Stock Exchange. So Sensex is like the BSE, like the Bombay Stock Exchange. So for this, we'll be getting on an average returns of around 10 to 12% returns per year. So these are the type of funds that are present in the equity. So in the next video, I'll be talking about the type of funds that are present in the debt. So if you don't want to miss that video, you just need to follow our page and share it with your friends. See you soon.